Welcome to the official Ghalux Community YouTube channel. I'm your host, technical head admin, Sin herself. So this is a channel trailer, so what might you expect whenever you join us? Well, of course, there's the 3D modeling, 3D animation, 2D sketches, tutorials, a whole list that is going to be like right here. It's probably a lot, it's probably less, I can't tell. So, what will you expect here? Well, mainly just either like tutorials for 3D animation, modeling, whatever you may need, and voice acting tips from yours truly.
Because that means if you want to learn voice acting for like a few shows coming in the future, if you want to voice act that is, then you can follow a few tips from me.
Because honestly, I do a lot. But besides that, welcome to this YouTube channel. I'll play a few clips of what me and my friends have experienced at the Ghalux community. Yes, it's a little bit chaotic, but hopefully it's your type of vibe, and we'll get right back to you.
Blows up pancakes of mind.
My fucking pancake! Aww.
Oh my god!
Oh, baby burgers.
Why is you going to not? Sorry.
Gay man! Shut up with that. Just shut up. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure, like, the murder mystery world, that's when you've been the most chaotic. Are you okay?
I don't think I can move it anymore!
Most definitely. Hold on, I'm just gonna disable nameplates.
Move it! I like to move it! I like to move it!
I'm going mentally insane, I'm literally tearing up. You're making me tear up! Hey, you're back from watching those insane mental clips of me and a few friends. Don't question us, I have autism. So, just wanted to say, I am the host of the YouTube channel. Go follow the official Ghalux. I am the host of the channel. I upload, I edit, I make everything on this community channel. This channel is being solo run. I will take all of this stuff from the Ghalux YouTube channel and from the Discord server with his credit and repost them for people who don't have Discord for them to be able to see here. Sure, some things are posted on his channel, but not all of the things. We want to show comedy gold within our server. We want to show a lot of things in our server that you might be interested in. We have a lot of entertaining events that you should totally join in on if you haven't joined the Discord server already. Link in the description. And if you plan on joining us, just read all of the rules and follow them, because there's been a few recent incidents that we do not want to talk about, so yeah, just follow the rules, be kind, be nice, and yeah, I'm chronically online, so if you ever come across me, Sin herself, speak to me. I don't give two hells as long as you start the conversation. But just welcome to the channel, that's all. Big hug from Sin herself. But you are welcome anytime. Insert head noises. Sorry, my autism's kicking in and I'm getting a little bit hyper, so I do not want this video to come out as like, well, this channel trailer, to come out as anything, you know. But yes, I will be uploading my own content from VR chat, talking about the Ghalux community and hanging out with other moderators and friends from the Ghalux community. Welcome. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. I don't know how to do a channel intro.
Anyways, so that will be it for today. If you enjoyed, well, the channel trailer and you want to share it around, please do, because that will boost our channel that will boost our channel, and we will actually be able to. Yeah. So, anyways, I'm not gonna hold up your time. Bye bye.